Take your APTM step by step using a Keystone hardware wallet. We're doing this by the book so you can feel confident with every single click. Let's get right into it. So, you're ready to put your APTM to work? Awesome. You know, staking can feel a little intimidating, but it really doesn't have to be. We're going to make this whole process super simple, super secure, and get it done right now. We've broken this down into 5 super simple phases. First, we'll access your inventory. Then we'll connect the wallet, lock up the APTM, do that cool sync with the Keystone, and finally confirm it all. So let's dive into phase 1. Okay, first things first, we just need to get into your inventory. This is all about logging in and getting to the right launchpad on the platform before we get to the really good stuff. All right, this part is a breeze. Just go to the main page, click Login, pop in your password, and hit Unlock. Easy. From there, you're going to head right over to the Inventory section. Find your membership tier, click Access Now, and just like that, you're exactly where you need to be. Now for the next critical step, connecting your wallet. This is where we create that secure link between your Keystone and the platform. It really sets the stage for the whole transaction. You're going to see a little prompt pop up. Just go ahead and click I understand. Then you'll see that big Connect Wallet button. Give that a click. It's going to open up a new tab. In that new window, just pick your wallet from the list and click Connect one last time to approve it. Done. Okay, so the wallet's connected. Now it's time for the main event, actually locking your APTM to get it staked. This is the moment we've been waiting for. So head back over to your inventory tab. You'll see your asset there. Click on View Details, and then you'll need to tick that little box to agree to the terms. See how the Lock APTM button just lit up? Go ahead and hit it. And pause. You should now see a big QR code on your computer screen. This is your signal. Put the mouse down and pick up your Keystone hardware wallet. It's time to go from the screen to your device. All right, now for the really cool part, the sync with your Keystone. Think of this like a totally secure, air-gapped handshake between your computer and your wallet. It's all done with QR codes, which means your private keys never, ever touch the internet. So grab your Keystone, tap that little camera scan icon, and just point it at the QR code on your computer screen. What you're doing right now is securely beaming all the transaction details over to your hardware wallet so you can approve them safely. And boom, just like that, the handshake goes the other way. After it processes the info, your Keystone is going to display a brand new QR code right on its own little screen. That's your signed transaction ready to be sent back. Now, just hold your Keystone up to your computer's webcam, get that new QR code nice and centered, and hey, here's a little pro tip I picked up from the guide. The webcam view might look kind of blurry to you on your screen, but don't worry about it. The camera can still read that code perfectly. Once it gets it, just click Done. And just like that, all the technical stuff is done. Seriously. In this last phase, we're just going to confirm everything went through and cover one last really important thing you need to know. And there you have it. Congratulations are in order. Your APTM is now officially staked. You know, the best part is, you just approved this entire thing while keeping your private keys completely offline and secure. That's the real power here. Okay, before we wrap up, there is one last super important detail, the BTXK unlock timelines. Remember, staking isn't instant. You need to know exactly how long your assets are going to be locked and when you can get them back. So make sure you're totally clear on those dates. And that is a wrap. Your APTM is staked and it is officially working for you. So that brings up the big question, right? Now that you're staked, what's your next move? How does this fit into your big